Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Just apologize for doing this in the dark, but I hope you see what I'm doing. So here I'm using 2 cups of flour. I mix in 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I also added half teaspoon of baking soda. Then afterwards I added 2 teaspoons of buttered milk, that is powdered milk. And then I whisk that all together to make sure it's properly mixed all together. And then here I'm just peeling my banana and then mashing up with the use of a fork. And then after that, I forgot to show you, I did add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar in a clean bowl, and then I added about 5 teaspoons of vegetable oil. It's what it's in the glass. And then I went ahead to add my dry mixtures, those I had mixed earlier on, into that mixture, and then mix it all together. And then to loosen it up, I alternate with a glass of milk. You can put as much milk as you want. I personally like a lot of milk in my banana bread, so I use that milk to alternate the texture and the consistency of the batter. And then when it's all combined well, I added my funfetti. With my funfetti, I like to buy several funfettis, as in single colors, and then I mix the ones I like. I don't like to buy it all mixed up together. It's just me, but I always like to get my funfetti in different colors and cut it up and mix up. So in a bit, I think all the funfetti I use is like 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon. I mix it up the way I like it, and then I added that funfetti to my mixture of flour, banana and everything, and mix it up. And then afterward I added 5 drops of vanilla essence, and then I'm going to show you what I did. First of all, apologies for doing this at night. I had to do this at night because a friend came over and I decided to do this to give it to the person. So I was like, oh, let's video it. I don't have a light or whatever, so apologies for the darkness, but at least you can follow what's going on. One more thing, if you're new here, please remember to like, share, subscribe and comment all the things you would love to see on our channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so very much. Thank you so very much. From here on, I'll just allow you watch, because I actually did record some while videoing. So here on, I'm going to talk to the end of the video and probably see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love in French. Okay, since we're making a confetti banana cupcake, I'm going to use this silicone cupcake liners I picked at a Japanese store. I think it was just 66 pesos. So this is what we're going to use. Remember, it's no oven, so you're going to see what I'm going to do with this. I love it. So I'm just going to line it, like grease it with cooking oil. You can grease it with cooking oil or butter or whatever you have. Still have some butter left, but we got plans for it. So we can make 3 cupcakes. Okay guys, so this is our cakes. I think it's steamed for like 30 minutes. So that is how it looks like. So I'm just gonna remember this. I have a video on how to make this already. So I put it in the fridge and it's sticky up together. I should like pump this out with like a piping bag, but I am not really in the mood for that. So I'm just going to show you a quick way on how to decorate your cake with no stress. I'm trying as much as possible to show you how to do this without stress. I'm just gonna use it like a gun, some confetti or sprinkles on it. So there you have. I'm going to show you like outside the bowl too. So guys, this one is, I took it outside the silicone cone. I'm going to show you how to also do it here outside the cone. So I want you to see how. So we are making like a drip coat. I'm going to add a link to how this is made. Just let it drip. Let it drip. Toss it there. Take it all out. So guys, isn't that an absolute beauty? So here is our absolute beauty. Isn't that